Bitcoin is back, pot is out, and the markets make new highs. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard the BUBBA'S Update. Today's update is brought to you by our partners at Family Farms, and of course, I couldn't think of anybody to be better partners with in the agricultural world for helping out farmers. And of course, with the action we've seen the last couple of days, they should take our lessons and go for it, because again, we were perfectly hedged with no risk, and of course, we had with risk, but not the risk that you would have taken. And of course, yesterday's big down move is being met once again with a big rally today. Okay, so again, as we continue to say here almost daily, buy the dips when they get down to support. When I was on Market Rally Radio yesterday, I said we were dead on support across the board, and where are we now? We're higher. Okay, so again, it's a question of being with the trend and following the path of least resistance, no matter what you're trading. Okay, the meats are pretty much flat. Not a lot of action on either side. They're plus or minus 10, 15 cents. I'm sure there'll be some sort of movement as they continue to set up for a much bigger move. But the equities, new highs once again. I mean, look, we may never go down again, and at least until we do. And we are long across the board. But I think one of the things you want to look at here is the actions are getting harder and harder to push higher. The volume is getting less and less. And it suggests there is a big sell-off day coming. Again, this is not the overall turnaround. There's going to be some relief off of this rally and some profit taking. When it comes, it could be today, could be tomorrow, could be Monday. Nobody knows. Okay, but it does not look all that great today. So I wouldn't be surprised to see some weakness come in, but we're not. Again, we're going to continue to play the way we play and look for the positions and carry our own positions that we carry daily. And then, of course, intraday trading will be based on the certain parameters that we follow. Crude oil is a little bit lower now. It's very close to unchanged, but as it continues to break out, it looks like it wants to go to 60. I mean, we're watching it not right now, 55 to 60. The dollar's a little bit, and we're long crude, so the dollar is lower, and we're still long. Bonds and notes are a little bit higher, and we are short. Copper, oh my goodness, it's down. My goodness, it went going down a little bit. It's down marginally, okay, and we're still long, of course. Nat gas, we're long, and it's higher. I think again, when you look at the bigger picture, okay, it's all about following the trend and being ready, just like the metals. We talked about platinum. Platinum is exploding once again, while gold and silver still vacillate on which way they're going to go. Now, we're long platinum, we're short gold, we're long silver. Okay, and still, silver looks better than gold. They look like they're in the opposite formation. One looks like it wants to go higher, the other one looks like it wants to go lower. And again, we'll see at the end of the day how it plays out, but that's how our position right now. In the meantime, platinum is on like 6-year highs or 7-year highs now. So, why fight it? And of course, the softs, cotton is higher, which I have no surprise, like with the grains. OJ is slightly lower. We're long copper, we're cotton. We're short OJ, it's down a little bit. We're long coffee, it's up a little bit. We're long sugar, it's down a little bit. And we're short cocoa, which is down. So, we'll see what we see, okay? But the things to watch here is the lack of real buying activity, okay? But still bullish, and we're still going up. But there will be, at some point, a pullback. Just like when we get these sell-offs, there's the rip your face off rally. There's going to be a hard sell, 400, 500, 600 points one day. But until then, we'll have to see. We'll have to play the same way as we always play and wait our turn. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. And remember our sponsors, which are our brokerage partners, which I do have other brokers, but CTG Group for futures and commodities. And of course, they are our only authorized letter of direction provider, and they have terrific managed futures accounts, and they will take care of you. Okay. And for equities and options, there is Tradier. And as I tell you every day, it's $10 a month. That's number one. Number two, great customer service. Number three, we have the algorithms where, in fact, tonight we are presenting to our members the ability. Now, again, you don't have to auto trade, but you have the ability, if you choose to do so, okay, following our signals. And of course, the free options class, which session 5 is tomorrow at 5 Eastern time. You can register for it at BUBBATrading.com. And of course, don't forget our commodity report by Andy Hecht. It is just, as I tell you all the time, it is terrific. It's called Technomental. It's at BUBBATrading.com. If you want to check it out, go to BUBBATrading.com. And if you want last week's report, you can send me an email and I will give you a chance to take a look at it. But it is well worth everything you would spend for it. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That is Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great trading day, everybody. Have a great day. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Take care, everybody.